Thanks, students. Today we are going to solve a question from the statistics paper 2 O levels. And the statement of the question is a man runs regularly over the same cross country course. The table gives the time for the 60 of these runs. So look now, the total number of the runs is 60 and each time being rounded up to the next whole number. Okay, the first part of the question is state the exact boundaries of the class interval labeled 54 minutes 1 second to 54 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, the boundaries for this class will be 54 minutes 0 seconds to 54 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, the second part of the question is calculate to the nearest seconds the estimate of the median. Okay, for the median, the formula of the median is L plus H over F into n by 2 minus C, where n is the total number of the terms, C is the previous cumulative frequency, H is the height of the class, F is the frequency, and L is the lower class boundary. So these are the terms which are required now. So first we will make these things complete. So look now, class intervals were given in the question. Frequencies were also given. Now we will make a column of the cumulative frequency. So first frequency will be written as it is. Then next frequency will be added into it. So 7 plus 4 will be 11. Then next frequency will be added into it. So 16 plus 11 will be 27 and up to so on. So next frequencies will be added and next cumulative frequency will be obtained. And the method to check either you are okay in the exams or not. So the last term of the cumulative frequency will be the same as the sum of the frequencies. So this is the way to check yourself in the exams either you are doing good or not. Okay, the next column which we will make of the class boundaries. So first class will be written as it is, but this class will be 53 minutes 31 seconds will be written as 53 minutes 30 seconds, and upper will be written as it is. And likewise, this 1 second will be rounded off near to the 0 seconds. So look now, 1 second 0 seconds, so 31 second will be 30 seconds, 1 second will be 0 seconds, and 31 seconds will be 30 seconds. So this is the way to make the class boundaries. Okay, now because we are going to find the median, so because the formula is L plus H over F into n by 2 minus C, so whatever the factor that will come here will decide the class. So n by 2, n is 60, that is total number of the terms, divided by 2 will remain as it is. So 2 30s are 60. So we will find the 30th term in the data and that class will be selected. And to select the class is, look now, up to 4 terms will be here. From number 5 to number 11 terms will be in this class. Then number 12 to number 27 will be in this class. Then 28 to 44 terms will be in this class. Then 45 to 55 terms will be in this class. And then 56 to 60th term will be in this class, because now we are going to find out the 30th term. So in this class, number 28 to 44 terms are there. So 30th term will be in this class. So this is L, that is lower class boundary. H is from 54 to 30, 54 minutes 30 seconds to 55 minutes 0 seconds. So H will be 30 seconds. Okay, L plus H over F. So this is F, frequency. into n by 2. So n is 60 minus c, and c is previous cumulative frequency. So for this class, this term will be c. Now putting these values into the formula. So look now, here is the data which we have made, and putting all these values into the formula which we have circled. So these values are placed into the formula. So 30 minus 27 will be 3. These remaining terms will remain as it is. Then 30 into 3 will be 90. All the remaining terms are as it is. 90 by 17 will be almost 5, because rounding off to the nearest whole number. And finally this 5 seconds will be added into 30 seconds. So 54 minutes 35 seconds is the median point. Okay, next next requirement in the question is calculate to the nearest second the estimate of the interquartile range. Okay, be attentive now. The formula for the interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1, where Q3's formula is this one: L plus H over F into 3n by 4 minus C. All the things, the abbreviations we have discussed. So L is the lower class boundary, H is the height, F is the frequency, N is the total number of the terms, and C is the previous cumulative frequency. Now this vector will decide the class. So 3n by 4, because n is 60 by 4 is as it is. So 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 30. So 45th term will decide the class. So look now, from the data you can see 45 to 55th term will lie in this class. So this class is selected now. So this is L. H is again same, that is 30 seconds. This is F for upper quartile. This is previous cumulative frequency, and this is 60's total number of the terms. So now we will put all these values into the formula. So here the values are going to be put. So look now, the values have been put in the formula, and solving it make this answer. So this is the upper quartile. So 55 minutes 3 seconds is the upper quartile. Okay, the formula for the lower quartile, that is Q1. Q1's formula is this one: L plus H over F into n by 4 minus C, where again C is the previous cumulative frequency, N is the total number of the terms, H is the height, F is the frequency, and L is the lower class boundary. So n by 4 factor will decide the class for the lower quartile. So n by 4, n is 60 by 4 is as it is. So 15th term will decide the class for the lower class boundary. And you can see from 15 to 27 terms will lie in this class. So now putting the values from this class into the formula, and you know how to put all these formulas, all these values into the formula. You know what is lower class boundary. So this is lower class boundary. Height is again same, that is 30 seconds. Previous cumulative frequency is this one for this class, frequency is this one, and is 60. So putting all these values into the formula now. So here we are putting the values into the formula. So after simplifying it, you will get this answer: 54 minutes 8 seconds. So this is the lower quartile. And finally putting the values of the upper quartile, this Q3 is called upper quartile and Q1 is called lower quartile. So putting values into the formula, you will get this answer, that is interquartile range. Thank you so much.